นนี่นะ
Amazing!
ส่วนใหญ่เราจะขึ้น这西边呢？
喜欢的。
Good.
还要选的。Oh, that's so. That's good.
Did
เวรนี่น่าแยกมากเลย
เ
expanse of our blue planet, life thrives, unfolding in ways that will challenge and deepen our understanding of the living world. The ocean is full of mystery, full of wonder, teeming with aquatic life uniquely adapted to thrive in dynamic waters. These incredible adaptations, honed by evolution over millennia, allow life to flourish. Through vast migrations and intricate navigation, these creatures traverse the global seascape, and their world is changing as icy realms melt and warm waters rise. However, people across the world are coming together to face the challenges of climate change. Our actions, our choices, will determine the future of aquatic life on this planet. And together, we will ensure that life thrives in the waters of our world. Life like the majestic beluga whales.
Aquarium's Animal Spotlight. My name is Chloe, and today I'm excited to spotlight the extraordinary beluga whales. Let's start with a question, and I'd like to invite you to answer by applause. Do you think beluga whales live in freshwater or saltwater? So if you think they live in saltwater, it'll be your turn to applaud first. Count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Kapohan, hindi niya kapohan.